Hi everyone, I wanted to talk today about a new product I just got. It's an InnoGear. It's a 4-pack of outdoor solar lights. They're 24 LEDs for each light and 3.7 volts, 1200 milliamps output, 0.8 watt consumption, 17% efficiency, 150 lumens. Not a lot, but good for, like, area lights around your house. They're pretty compact. Let's do an unboxing now. Actually comes with the hardware, obviously, to mount the device. Instructions. Let's take out one of these items here. So this is one of the units. Solar charging. You got your 24 LEDs on the bottom, so it'll mount with these screws here. Pretty simple mounting. It'll go like this on the side of the house, facing up towards the sun. And there's an on-off switch here. So you're just gonna have to click this. It'll flash, and then it'll be ready to go and detect, when there's motion. I use these on the side of my house when I need just some simple light to put on. I have these on the side of my house. There's 4 units here. I use them right near my garbage can, so I can actually get some light when I'm taking out my garbage. And that's pretty much it. Really good light. I've had the one I bought a couple years ago, still running strong. I use it, basically have it there all the time, and it's never failed me. It does, if it's a real dark day, it won't actually have that much charge. It won't last that long, but otherwise it should last, pretty much through the night. And then obviously start charging again when it gets light in the morning. So that's the InnoGear product. It's available on Amazon and pretty cheap. I think it was like 30 bucks for 4 of these. So you can not spend a lot of money and get some nice spotlights around your house that are motion sensitive. So if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe to my channel to get more product reviews. And also ring that bell if you want to be notified of new reviews as they come out. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Just wanted to provide a quick shot of, these are the lights installed. Actually, down there is actually my old light. This is one of the new ones. And then actually up here is another new one. Now I've placed them in a place where I hope that they'll get enough light. I think this one's fine, and the first one I showed you is fine. The only one I'm a little bit concerned with is this one here. So this one should get enough light, but we'll have to see and really test it out. So I have one more to put up, and just wanted to show you these lights up. They're actually pretty small, but I think they'll get the job done. The last picture I want to do of the lights installed. As you can see, they just went bright. And this one here up as well. See if we get closer, it's going to turn on. Here we go. And the last one coming up here is right by my door. And this one is going to come on. There we go. So